If you're all about that bass, then this is the amp to get for your car audio system. This is the Power Acoustik RZR1-2500D, a Class D monoblock amp delivering up to 2,500 watts of sub-thumping power in a surprisingly compact size. Measuring just 4.75 inches wide, 1.75 inches high, and 11 inches long, this amp fits almost anywhere. But don't let the size fool you. It's a 1 ohm stable and packs a serious punch of 1,000 watts at this impedance. If you're running it at 2 ohms, it pushes 650 watts, and at 4 ohms, 450 watts. Control your bass from the front seat with the included dash-mounted remote and fine-tune your low end with adjustable low-pass filters, 35 Hz to 250 Hz, bass boost, 0 dB to 12 dB at 45 Hz, and a subsonic filter 10 Hz to 50 Hz. Whether you've got a factory stereo or a custom setup, the RZR1-2500D will easily integrate into your system. With both high-level inputs and low-level RCA inputs, as well as signal-sense auto turn-on, integration is easy. Built with military-grade components, a full MOSFET power supply, and 4-way protection, this amp is engineered to perform day in and day out. Whether you're bumping old-school hip-hop or deep house, the RZR1-2500D gives you power, control, and clean low end without taking up your whole trunk. Check out the Power Acoustik RZR1-2500D today, available exclusively at Walmart. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're ready to upgrade your car's bass.